My name is Paul and welcome to the DocIT channel. Today I want to have a little conversation about Kafka. In this video we will discuss with you such topics as what is Kafka, why Kafka. We will discuss high-level architecture, Kafka and Zookeeper, benefits of Kafka's approach, APIs and use cases. Just imagine that you've got a lot of IoT devices, some and other apps, cameras for example, and you want to send the data to the target system. So if you have just one application and one target system, I think it's gonna be too easy just to send a data straight to the target system. But for example, if according to your business logic you have to send this data not straight to the one target system, you have to send to several target systems. What do you think? How many problems will you have with this? The first problem, it is integrators. You have to write as much integrations as a number of target systems. Just for example, you have about 4 IoT devices and 4 target systems, and you have to write at least 16 integrations. Sometimes it's going to be confused on which protocols they are working on. Maybe it is a SOAP or HTTP or someone else. Or maybe you'll be confused what kind of data format they are working with. Maybe it is a JSON, maybe it is Arrow or Parquet. And don't forget about high load capacity on your input and output systems. So Kafka will help you to resolve those problems. Every IoT devices, laptop or cameras will send the data right to the Kafka cluster, and these messages are gonna be saved in the topics. Target systems, in our case it is Hadoop, database or login systems, will be just subscribe to these topics and get those messages right to them. By the way, just below this video you can find a list of books about Apache Kafka. You can add it to your own software library. So what is Kafka? Kafka is a distributed streaming platform that is used to publish and subscribe to the streams of records. Kafka is used for fault-tolerant storage. Kafka achieves fault tolerance by duplicating each partition over a number of servers. It means if one of our servers breaks, the messages will never lost. Our target systems may read those messages from the other servers. Let's look on the high-level architecture of Kafka. Producers are the clients or applications that publish messages to a topic. Consumers are the applications that subscribes to topics and read the messages. A stream of messages of any particular category is referred to as a topic. Kafka cluster consists of multiple servers, each of which is called a broker. Each Kafka broker coordinates with other Kafka brokers using a Zookeeper. So let's talk a little bit more about Zookeeper. Zookeeper is used in distributed systems for service synchronization and as a naming registry. When working with Apache Kafka, Zookeeper is primarily used to track the status of nodes in Kafka cluster and maintain a list of Kafka topics and messages. Before Kafka version 2.9, Kafka services cannot be used without first installation Zookeeper. This is true even if you use case of requires just a single broker, single topic or a single partition. Zookeeper has 5 primary functions. Especially, Zookeeper is used for controller election, cluster membership, topic configuration, access control list, and quotes. Let's talk about benefits of Kafka's approach. First, scalable. Kafka's partition lock model allows data to be distributed across multiple servers, making it scalable beyond what would fit in a single server. Fast. Kafka duplicates data streams, so there is low latency, making it extremely fast. Durable. Partitions are distributed and replicates across many servers, and the data is all written to disk. This helps protect against server failure, making the data is very fault tolerant and durable. In addition to command line tooling for management and administration tasks, Kafka has 5 core APIs for Java and Scala language. The Producer API to publish a stream of events to one or more Kafka topics. Consumer API to subscribe to one or more topics and to process the stream of events processed to them. Kafka Admin API to manage and inspect topics, brokers, and other Kafka objects. The Kafka Streams API to implement streams processing application and microservices. It provides higher-level functions to process events streams, including transformation, stateful operation like aggregation and joins, windows, processing based on event time, and more. Input is read from one or more topics in order to generate output to one or more topics, efficiently transforming the input streams to output streams. The Kafka Connect API to build and run reusable data import or export connectors that consume or produce streams of events from and to external systems and applications so they can integrate with Kafka. For example, a connector to a relational database like PostgreSQL might capture every change to a set of tables. However, in practice, you typically don't need to implement your own connectors because their Kafka community already provides hundreds of ready-to-use connections. So let's talk about Kafka use cases. In short, Kafka is used for stream processing, website activity tracking, metric collection and monitoring, log aggregation, real-time analytics, messaging, and others. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and click like. For you, just a few seconds, but for me it is really good motivation to continue create videos like this.